Hello, today we'll try to set up the fifth axis with the base and the table. So we have got a gearbox, harmonic drive, 32 size, 120 ratio. We have got the table ready for installing and fifth axis base. Some bolts, and we'll try to do it right now. Okay, and we are ready to do some tests. We have table in place and we can test the fourth axis. At the beginning, 200 rounds per minute. Forward, reverse. And we can switch to 500 rounds per minute. And it is 10 rounds per minute at the end of the shaft. Okay.